In this video, you'll learn how to sound like Goofy using ElevenLabs. This guide explains the steps to create a playful and exaggerated voice using the text-to-speech features available in the platform. Start by opening the text-to-speech section of ElevenLabs. If you have not navigated to this feature before, look for the option on the main dashboard. Once you find it, click to enter the text-to-speech interface. After accessing the text-to-speech interface, ensure you are using either the ElevenLabs V3 or Multilingual V3 model. You can select the model from a drop-down menu or a similar control that displays available options. Once selected, you will be ready to choose a voice. Next, choose any male or character-leaning voice from the list provided. Take a moment to listen to the voice samples if available, as this will help you determine which voice best suits the Goofy character style. Once you've made your selection, you can proceed to the next step. Now, paste the provided text into the text input area. This text includes specific cues that will guide the voice synthesis. Make sure to copy the entire text accurately, as it contains essential instructions for achieving the desired Goofy sound. The text to paste includes the following cartoon character voice: very exaggerated, playful, clumsy, high pitch, followed by the lines. After pasting, verify that the text appears correctly in the input field. This ensures that ElevenLabs can interpret the voice cues properly. Once the text is in place, click the Generate button to initiate the voice synthesis process. After clicking, you may see a loading indicator while the system processes your request. Wait for the audio to generate, which typically takes only a few moments. If the generated voice sounds too normal or not exaggerated enough, you can enhance the expression by adding stronger control cues. For example, modify the text to include the beginning followed by the adjusted lines. Finally, repeat the generation process with the updated text. This will allow you to create a more vibrant and energetic interpretation of Goofy. Adjusting the cues can significantly impact the performance, so feel free to experiment with different expressions until you achieve the desired sound.